today we're going to make some bird feeders, and Isaac's helping me. So what you're going to do, Isaac, first of all, you're going to scoop out the oil and put it to the seed, in the seeds. It's quite hard, ready? So this is something really easy that you can do at home in the fresh air. And it's also helping the birds. So Isaac, what birds do you think we get in our garden? What birds do we get in our garden?
Robin.
Robins, good boy.
From heaven.
Robins from heaven. And what are the big grey ones? Do you want to mix this up?
Yeah.
With your fingers? Go on then. No, use a spoon then. Mix that up. What are the big grey ones we get outside? Pigeons. And these are all going to love your bird feeders. So what we've got is we've got coconut oil, but you can use butter or lard. And I've seen it done with peanut butter as well, so you can give that a go. And just your usual bird feed, which you can get in Wilko's or garden centres or Pets at Home. And we're putting the seeds and the oil together and just mixing it all up. Really nice sensory activity. Getting our hands nice and messy. And as many seeds in the oil as possible, because that's all going to be nice food for the birds. Boy, well done. We're mixing it all in so there's plenty of seeds. So what's nice about this one is you don't need anything. I've seen them before where you can use toilet rolls or pine cones, which is great as well. But this one is a recipe that you set in the fridge. So you can make them into any shape you like if you have cookie cutters. Another thing you have at home. So what we're going to do, once we've got it so it's quite a hard consistency, I'm going to flatten them into the bottom of my dish so it's kind of like a flapjack mix or brownie mix. I wouldn't know because I don't make flapjacks or brownies. I'm not a baker. Right, what do you think, Isaac? Nice and flat?
Yeah.
And then what you're going to do, mister, is you're going to choose your cookie cutters and you're going to cut a shape. You want that one, okay? I'm just making sure all the big lumps of coconut oil are flattened out in the mix. So, right, so you need to push your gingerbread man into the mix. Can you push him down? Go on, push with the spoon if you like. Go on then, push. Push, push. And then when you've got your shapes, you just need to put them on a flat baking tray. So it actually works best if you leave them in the cookie cutters and put them in the fridge like that. You having a mix? Good boy. So we need to flatten it again now. Can you flatten it for me? Which shape are you going to choose next? That one. That's the one we use. What do we use that for? Tarts. Jam tarts. Go on then. Push it in. Push in your shape. Push it in. Push down. Oh yeah. Good boy. So when the shape is cut, let's be quite careful with it. We'll leave it in the cutter just to keep its form in the fridge until it's set. Right, choose another shape. Which shape? Heart. I like that one. Push it in then. Got toddlers. Good time to learn shapes. Educational. Everything's educational. Then what we do after this is when we've done all the shapes, we're going to put them in the fridge. And then you have to leave them in the fridge overnight so they set nice and firm. And then we tie the string around so you're able to hang them in trees in your garden. Go on then. If you don't have a garden, you can hang them from balcony windows or go outside, go to the parks and hang them there. What I've done, I've left them all in the shapes. I'm going to leave them in the cookie cutters whilst we put them in the fridge, but there is one final thing we have to do, Isaac. We have to make holes in them so we can put string through. There we go, make a nice hole, and in that one. Okay, and then this one. There we go, this one. This one. And there we go. So hopefully those holes will allow us to string through tomorrow when they're nice and set, and then we can hang them up in the garden. So well done. What's also great about this is that your hands get really moisturised, and at the moment, hashtag COVID-19, we're using a lot of hand wash, a lot of hand gel, and now my hands aren't cracked and sore anymore. Bonus. Right, last thing, we've got some mix left over, we're not going to waste it. So what we're going to do is we're going to get some pine cones and stuff the pine cones, okay? Pack the pine cone, it's really good because it grips it all in. Good boy. Pack it all in. Push. Yeah. There we go. These I'd normally put string round as well to hang out, but I'm actually not going to put string. I'm just going to leave them around. Good boy. Okay, we'll put those in this one. Okay, so we've got some pine cone ones as well. So we've taken our bird feeders out of the fridge, which have been setting all night. And what we're going to do now, Isaac, is we're going to put our string through so they are able to hang on the tree. So we've got to be quite gentle. They may crumble a bit. And threading the string through. The knots. And then we're ready to hang it on a tree. Do you want to hang it on one of those branches, Isaac? Be nice and gentle. Good boy. Then we can do the rest, can't we?